Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2010 Hawk 2-horse straight load gooseneck with dressing room. This trailer is a one owner. This trailer does have a ramp with Dutch doors. I'll show you that here shortly. 2 full escape doors. It's got a spare. I've got the escape door open on this side. It's got 2 of those. Windows up there in the nose. This is 7 tall, 7'6" wide. No, 7'6" tall, 7 wide. 7'6" tall, 7 wide. 2 full escape doors, aluminum wheels. Does have the ramp with Dutch doors. Does have mats. The horse box is immaculate. It's almost like a horse has never been in it. Padding doesn't even look like a horse has ever been in it. It does have the feed bags. Sliders on the rear, sliders on the doors, as well as behind the door. So you've got a lot of ventilation, roof vents. These are always challenging to video, so I'm going to come back up to the front. It's got the removable head divider. Let's see if I can show you that and expanded. It's got the window to the dressing room, head divider, spinning back around. As I said, everything in this trailer is in excellent shape. It was lightly used. Mats are good. No issues. Has all the padding on the chest bars and butt bars in great shape. Can't really complain on this trailer whatsoever. Doesn't have any dents, dings, bangs, anything like that. Ramp works great, in great shape. Full running boards, aluminum full running boards. These are aluminum skin, steel frame, fiberglass roof. That is the make of a Hawk. It's a 2010 Hawk. It's got the extra large dressing room. So it's got the bigger dressing room. It's got brush boxes, double brush boxes on the door. And this is the big carpeted. Carpet is in excellent shape, no leaks, no smells. They put extra carpet over top of the carpet, so it's in excellent shape. Saddle rack. And actually that's an extra deal with saddle racks. We've got 4, and this is a 2-horse trailer. So 4 saddle racks for a 2-horse trailer. Windows there in the nose. Got some lights here on the inside, work off the battery. 2, it looks like, up there. So big, I'll do the measurements on this. Big dressing room, excellent shape, tons of bridle hooks. Super nice trailer, definitely well kept. So 2010 Hawk 2-horse straight load gooseneck, extra large, extra wide, big dressing room, super nice trailer, one owner. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. This is Ashley. You can reach me best at 828-773-4500. Best way to reach me is text. We do not put pricing on our YouTube. You can reach out to me for that, or it will be on our website, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.